And the race is on. Luna Rosa, a state witness running by the rally's pencil away. Security check on the outside is Canadian Girl. Racing in fifth, Luna Rosa, sixth position, Super Cliche. Admiral Contender, reward for effort and Alleluia. Inside the last 800, Pencil away, state winners fighting it out for the lead. And ring the last 600. Pencil away, state winners on the outside. Security check. Canadian Girl Luna Rosa running in fifth by the route, taking the fourth spot as they race the last 500. State Witness by Anek, followed by Pencil away down on the inside as they race the last 400. State Witness by Anek, Pencil away down on the inside. Then here comes Luna Rosa. Pencil away, State Witness. Luna Rosa in third. State Witness, Pencil away. Luna Rosa moves up to grab the lead. And finally, the H. Bobby Jr. on Luna Rosa. Super Cliche, Pencil away, State Witness, and Admiral Contender for your Pentafecta.
78126 ang aking tingin.